Hi and welcome. This video is about how you can get your own 100% free online store. Seriously, how you can have your own e-commerce website at zero cost. You are going to have 5 free e-commerce stores to choose from, and we know that you are going to need a dropshipper, so we are also including the top 3 free dropshippers, and stay with us for your bonus, which will help you with choosing which products to sell. Mr. P has personally had experience with the first 4 of the free web stores that follow. In his opinion, they are all outstanding, they are easy to use, beginner-friendly, they are free, really free, and they are real e-commerce stores with all the tools and apps and resources that you need. However, one of these free e-commerce stores has a limitation that you need to be aware of. You are also going to discover that another one of these best free stores, the one which is the most highly rated, has a major flaw. A serious flaw that may be a deal breaker. Your first free e-commerce store is Woocommerce. Mr. P gives Woocommerce 2 thumbs up. Woocommerce began in 2011 and is a free WordPress plugin, which means that you will need a WordPress site. If you need web hosting, if you need a WordPress site, altervista.org provides free hosting with a free WordPress site that compares with a paid WordPress site. It is that good. Woocommerce is the most used free online store on the web. Woocommerce is easy to install and configure, it is customizable and capable of integrations, and has a number of additional free extensions. Square Online is another excellent free choice. Mr. P gives Square Online 2 thumbs up. Answer a few simple questions about your store and Square Online will build your store. You can build a web store that fits your needs and is user-friendly and has no limit on the number of products, and has integrations for you to sell on FB and Instagram, SEO tools, QR code, and more. The free version does charge you 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. With the free version you will have a watermark, you will have the Square logo. If you like this video so far, if you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do that right now. Turn the like button black, thank you. And if you like this content, I invite you to join this channel, smash the subscribe button and ring the bell so that Mr. P can let you know whenever a new video is uploaded. Next on our list is Free Web Store. Mr. P gives Free Web Store a thumbs up, but there is an important limitation that we will get to shortly. Free Web Store has been around since 2007. It is very user-friendly. Has everything you need with unlimited products, unlimited storage and unlimited bandwidth. You will love the site, it is outstanding, but the catch is that the free version is free up to $30,000 annual turnover per year. Next is Wix. Mr. P gives the free Wix store a thumbs down. You will see why in a moment. Wix.com's free store has the highest customer review rating, and for good reason. Wix offers an amazing free e-commerce site. Your free online store is very easy to set up and easy to manage. Wix's free store is superb, but there is a catch, unfortunately. That catch is a deal breaker, and that catch is that Wix has a 500 megabytes limit on bandwidth, which is simply not enough. Bandwidth ultimately relates to how much traffic that Wix allows for free. Bandwidth is actually data transfer. As an example, if your site size is 1 megabyte, then 100 visits per month would mean that your free site used 100 megabytes of bandwidth. Only 500 visits would equal 500 megabytes of bandwidth. Even though Wix's free store is awesome, their free bandwidth allowance is way too low for an online store. What that means is that you will need to upgrade soon after you begin, and you will need to upgrade to their unlimited plan or better. Your cost for your online store will go from free to at least $22 per month. There is no need to pay $22 or more per month for hosting. For example, Mr. P gets almost unlimited hosting for $3.50 a month with Hostinger. Next is a fairly unique free web store. It is called Spreadshop. What makes it unique is that you get your own store and it already comes with products. Mr. P gives Spreadshop a thumbs up. It is free, it stays free, it is easy to use and is worth looking at. The products are apparel such as hoodies and tees, mugs and face masks. The store takes advantage of a widely popular trend, which is adding a design to these products. Do not let adding a design bother you. You can add your own if you want. You can let Spreadshop create designs for free, or you can hire someone to create a design. Spreadshop can not only help you to make money, it can also help you with branding. Spreadshop comes with the resources that you need and is easy to set up. If you open your own free online store, typically you are going to need a dropshipper. You will be pleased to know that there are dozens of quality dropshippers that are free. At the top of our list is Aliexpress. Aliexpress has an almost endless supply of products at very competitive prices. With over 100 million products, your selection covers almost every niche. Aliexpress ships worldwide to over 200 countries, and is safe to do business with. Mr. P gives Aliexpress a thumbs up. Next is CJ Dropshipping, which is also worldwide. CJ has fast delivery, and products in every niche at competitive prices. They are easy to use and will integrate with Woocommerce. The main parts of CJ's services are 1. Product sourcing, 2. Store authorization, 3. Product listing, connecting, 4. Automatic order import, 5. Order uploading via Excel, CSV files and placing orders manually. What makes CJ so easy is that you can go to the help section where each step is laid out for you. Mr. P gives CJ Dropshipping 2 thumbs up. Mr. P's third choice is Weo. Weo also has a vast assortment of products, is also worldwide. Weo will integrate with Woocommerce and has the lowest prices guaranteed. Next is your bonus, which is an easy way to find out what products are trending and what they are selling for. I have taken you to Amazon best sellers. The link is amazon.com/best with a capital B sellers with a capital S/ZGBS. By using this link, you can access the best-selling products in every niche. You will also see how much these products are selling for on the largest online retailer site, Amazon, a major competitor. You can access this information for free and in an instant. Thank you for watching. Allow me to wish you much success. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please share and leave a comment about its content. Do not forget to subscribe, so you will never miss a video. Be sure to watch this video next, which YouTube has chosen just for you.